Hi viewers, today I'm going to do unboxing and review of the new Samsung wireless charger Duo. So this is the brand new model for 2021, and this is compatible with all the wireless charging phone including iPhone, AirPods, and even the Galaxy Bud. This watch charging is only compatible with Galaxy Watch or the Active. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, so we have the charging pad, quick starter, wall charger, and cable. So these are the things you get in the new charging Duo. Let's look at it how this looks. Okay, this is not heavyweight, this is lightweight, and it has a nice indication what you can put in each place. So if you see here, it shows phone and earphones, and here you can see the watch information there, and you have two light indicators which side of this device is in use, and it is USB Type-C port, and you can connect any USB Type-C cable, and you have a USB Type-C cable here. One side is a USB and the other side is a Type-C, and your wall charger. So it says fast charging here, so it's actually a 9 watt. If you look at the description here, it's a 9 watt fast charge. Okay, let me connect this and see how this is performing. Let me connect it here. So once it connected, if somebody missed, I'll show you again. Let's connect it. Then you can see the lights coming up. It's red, green, and yellow, so which means it's ready. So one thing what I noticed is if you are not using the provided wall charger, this never turns on. It always in low mode, so which means your wall charger is having some trouble. So I'm using the provided wall charger, and let me see how this is charging. And I have my Samsung Galaxy S21. Let me put it there for charging. Yeah, there you go, it's charging. And if you look at the bottom, it shows fast charging, and still have 1 hour and 45 minutes until charge. Let me see how it is charging the watch. There you go. So it's charging, although it shows how much hours it's left. It's pretty cool and neat. I really like the design. It's not heavy and it looks cool, and you can place it on any of your table or wherever you want. And I would want to show you that it does charge an iPhone. This is iPhone 12 mini. So anyone is looking for a good sleek wireless charging device or wireless charging pod, I would definitely recommend the Samsung one. This is somewhere around $50 to $60. If you find it in any site, if it is in sale or discount, you'll get it for $40 to $50. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment, and if you like it, just give a thumbs up, or if you don't like, give a thumbs down, and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.